Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new video because I am bored as shit. No, it's actually not that bad, but obviously Corona's in the country, it's not just in my country, it's everywhere. Yeah, so everyone's bored, everyone doesn't know what to do. I'm not going to say that I'm bored because if I'm bored then mum's got some tasks for me. So I'm bored to do fun stuff. So yeah, I normally don't film my makeup videos anymore, but because everyone's just really bored and just sitting at home and not doing anything, and I've heard there's actually people that like watching my videos. So can you imagine? So I was like, wait, maybe it's enjoyable for me to do makeup, and it's apparently enjoyable for people to see it. So I was like, maybe I'll just do my part and film it so people can see how I do it, and well, they fill 10 minutes of their life again. Oh god. As you can see from my last video, you can tell that I have short hair. I have short hair. I still have short hair. But like a few months ago, I ordered this fake ponytail. And I actually got a blue one as well. So I actually ordered this one, and then like a week after I dyed my hair blue. So I wanted to get the same one but blue, but then there was only one shade of blue and you couldn't really tell what shade of blue it was. So I just ordered it, and it's really dark blue and my hair was like lighter. So yeah, anyone want to buy a blue ponytail, hit me up. So it's just a ponytail, it's fake obviously, but I thought it was cool to change my look a little bit since I've got plenty of time. How weird do I look with long hair and no makeup? Today's video makeup, obviously you've read the title, is gonna be a cow eyeliner. And it's actually because I saw it on Instagram because, let me just check her name. Well, on Instagram she's called Bueno or something, or Bean, I don't. She does wicked makeup as well, and I saw it on her profile. Looks like this. Check that out definitely. And it just reminded me of the time I did a cow eyeliner, and that's been a while ago. And it's funny because like now with Corona, my boyfriend lives on a farm. So I've been there quite a lot. So I was like, let me just do this cow makeup look. So a lot of people always ask me, no, a lot of people comment me on my eyebrows. So pay attention, host, because this is how I do it. You take soap. The only thing you need for this step is soap. Goddamn. Soap everywhere, I'm great. So the only thing you need to do is just wet it a little bit. And you take this side of your brush and you go over it just a little bit. This is too much. That soap's in there because there's a wax in soap that brushes your hairs up. And that's basically what I do. Then I take my City Color Perfect Brow Kit from, is that City Color? Is City Color a make? That's the brand. Oh, oops. So, since my hair is lighter, I am going in with the lightest brown. Also, I just put this one in because everyone calls me a cow when I do it, so that was fitting. For the eyeliner, we're gonna use fake out bitch. We're gonna use the Mehron Paradise paints. So because that's not makeup, and I mean it's paint, it's different. I'm gonna do my full face and end with the eyeliner. See how I'm faking my jawline. I mean, it's kind of cute. Then I'm going to go in to make some fake freckles, and I have some natural freckles, but they come out more in the summer when the sun's on my face and shit. But yeah, so they're kind of disappearing now under the layer of foundation. So I'm gonna do some fake freckles. cute. Look at this. So good. Love it. Now the other side, that's gonna be different. Okay, I think the right side is already dry, so we're ready for this spot. Look how cute! Okay, so now that that's done, the only thing left to do is lashes. So I got this package from Cute, again, Chinese. But I'm gonna use the middle one. Okay, there's nothing much left to do than lipstick, and I'm not sure if I want to fuck it up with a red one. So I feel like if you think about the like farm girl costume things, they are like the vintage one with the bandanas and stuff. You have like red lipstick, so this is very bright red. Don't come in! Why not? Be careful, there's a lot of makeup in it. What the fuck are you doing? Are you filming? You're on tape! Fuck! I need to pee! Adieu! Cheers! So the red lipstick is actually a gift I got, and it's from Kat Baker, but I don't know what it is. It says KMI TW118EE, but I don't know if that's anything important. So. Okay, I don't think it's equal. Is it? It isn't. It's by far isn't equal. It's the thing with overlining, you never really know where to stop, do you? It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Ready for the farm life, y'all. Oh, I am not. It's hard work. Let me tell you. And I don't even know half of it. Okay. We are done. Isn't it cute? I think it's cute. So that was today's look. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked being... I hope you like it that I'm back into filming and you can see what the looks that like how I do the looks. Obviously this is a bit more of an eye look. It's not that like massive creative crazy things I do normally, but I'm planning on doing that. I was just checking out if I'm still being able to film and know how to talk during makeup. Yeah, so me and my fake hair, I'm gonna say goodbye. I am going to live life with the other cows where I belong. I'm ready to get injected and give milk. Quarantine is bad, yo. It's bad for my humor. Anyway. Back to you, Frank. Anyway, okay, let me just end this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this makeup. If you do recreate it, tag me or the original artist, of course. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. It's @thezooster_. Here you have a little preview of my feet. Not my feet, not my foot, my feet from Instagram. My Instagram feet. Oh, whatever, mate. Okay, whatever. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye! Ooh. Ooh.